Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas I will share you. So I hope viewers you like my video. So let's start today video. Friends, Christmas centerpiece glow. Nothing so Christmas like candlelight, creating a soft glowing centerpiece that make every meal feel like a holiday festive. Christmas and viewers, wooden rings, elegant, simple, warm and beautiful, festive. This wooden rings centerpiece brings natural Christmas charm to tables. A touch of green, soft lights and the ballroom feel magical. Wooden ring glow. A wooden rings after being on a candle. Sometimes the most rustic piece creative the coziest Christmas moments. Wooden hop Christmas magic turn a plain wooden hop into a Christmas short hopper trainy walk around tiny ornaments hanging a soft holiday glow. Wooden slice. A wooden slice base with a decorative ring layering texture to create a centerpiece that feel warm, natural and winter perfect. Minimal ring Christmas centerpiece. Friends, double wooden ring designs, two wooden rings interval, creating a modern Christmas centerpiece. Add red berries, lights, and suddenly it feels like holiday magic. Wooden ring candle nest, a wooden ring and berries, candles, soft lights, winter green, and a centerpiece that make every dinner feel special. Woodland Christmas tree, a ring inspired by natural wood texture, pins and that cozy forest Christmas feel. Hanging ring centerpiece. Weavers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends,